Do y'all want to know what it feels like to be humbled? Real quick. I'm just going to give you a humbling moment because I feel like you should be humbled with me. Why the hell did I need to be humbled? I don't know, but I'm about to show y'all how to get humbled real quick. Y'all, my car is not starting up, but oh my gosh, I'm gonna call my dad now. It didn't start again. Anyway.